Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn music notes for singing. First, let's start with the very basics. Music uses an alphabet of 7 letters, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These letters repeat across the musical staff, which has 5 lines and 4 spaces. You'll also encounter 2 main clefs, the treble clef for higher vocal ranges and the bass clef for lower ones. Understanding these fundamentals is your first crucial step. Next, let's talk about pitch and solfege. Pitch simply refers to how high or low a note sounds. To help you internalize these pitches, we use solfege syllables: do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and do. Practicing these syllables, perhaps with hand signs, creates a strong connection between the sound and its name. This method is incredibly effective for developing your relative pitch and musical ear. Now, let's explore intervals and ear training. An interval is the specific distance between 2 notes. Learning to recognize and sing intervals, such as a perfect fifth or a major third, is vital for accurate singing. Ear training involves actively listening to and identifying pitches and intervals without visual aids. Consistent practice will significantly improve your ability to hear and reproduce notes correctly. Finally, consistent practice is key to mastering music notes for singing. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes daily to singing scales and arpeggios. Always use a tuner or a piano to ensure your pitch is accurate. Sing along to simple sheet music, actively focusing on identifying and producing each note correctly. Regular, focused practice will build your confidence and improve your vocal precision over time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.